Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about US30 market and see how we'll be able to make profit from this market. So what we're seeing right here on this chart is a buy position because the market has sold on the 1 hour time frame. So the market has sold on the 1 hour time frame. So the next step is for the market to buy right now, because take a look at this from here to this point right here. The market has sold right here. So the next step for this market to buy, all right, this market is to buy on the next step, because this market has gotten to the oversold region, and right now we're seeing a buy right here on this market. Right, if we go back to the 1 minute time frame, this market is currently buying on the 1 minute time frame. All right, so this is how you do your analysis. First of all, you check the higher time frame to confirm your entry. Right now, what we're seeing here on the 1 minute time frame is that this market has bought, and the next step is sold, and it will buy. So it will continue to go like that until it gets to a point where it will sell for a long period of time, and it gets to a point where it will buy for a long period of time. So what we're seeing here is a good entry. So if you want to draw and calculate your analysis, what you need to do is to do it on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. Just what we're seeing right here. You draw your trend line carefully at this point. You draw your trend line here. We're seeing that this market is what? We're seeing that this market is going upwards because it has gotten to the oversold level, and the next step is for it to buy. Right now, if we add our moving averages, or let's add our moving average indicator. So the moving average indicator is currently showing us right here the direction of the market movement. The market it's going upwards. Take a look at it. It curves down a little bit, then it will go upwards, just as we are seeing right here on the MACD, that it has gotten to this level. Whenever the MACD gets to the level of 10, the market always buys here, you see, and at this point again, it goes to the level of 10, it will buy, just as we are seeing right here. Whenever the MACD gets to that level, the market always buy. Right, and this is the 1 hour time frame. So let's check out what's going on the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, the market is selling right now. It's selling, but it will buy again. All right, it will buy. Now remember that the 1 minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame are two different analyses. Right now, here on the 1 minute time frame, the market price has gotten to the higher high, which is this level of 90 of the MACD. But on the 1 hour time frame, price has gotten to the level of 90. So I'm seeing two differences here on the market. On the 1 minute time, its price is at 90. On the 1 hour, price is at 10. Right, those as we are seeing right here, and this market will buy. All right, so like I said, it takes 1 hour for a full candle tick to be completed on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. So when you want to do your analysis properly, you need to do it on the higher time frame, and you need to check the higher time frame to see your analysis, how perfect your analysis is going, before you go back to the 1 minute time frame to place your trade, if you are trading on the 1 minute time frame. Right now, this market is a buy right here. The market is going to buy because on the higher time frame, the market has gotten to the oversold level. So the next step is for it to buy. So on the 1 hour time frame, you won't see that frequent movement in price, just as you are seeing here in the 1 minute time frame. You are seeing the candle ticks going upwards, coming downwards, going upwards, coming downwards, because it's the 1 minute time frame. So the market moves quickly on the 1 minute time frame. Right, so each candle are created in the 1 minute time frame, so you don't need to get confused on the market when you are trading. Right, on the 1 hour time frame, you don't see the market move so quickly. All you see is moves a little bit, little by little. But on the 1 minute time frame, the market moves frequently. That's why if you want to scalp the market, people normally scalp the market on, most traders normally scalp the market on the lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frame. Right, they normally scalp the market at those times so that they can take advantage of small price movement when the market moves a little bit. Right, so just what we're seeing here now, there's a breakout. This market has broken out and it has gotten to another point here for a buy. right? This market is buying. Like I told you guys that this market will buy, and this is a good profit, right? Now check the 1 hour time frame, right? Go back to the 1 hour time frame. If I zoom in right here, you see that this candlestick is a buy entry, right? This is a buy candlestick right here. This one right here is a buy. This is sold, is a buy, and the market has got into the oversold region. So the next step is for it to take off, is for it to go upwards to buy, right? And on the 1 minute, the market is buying right now. It's going up, it's going down, but you won't see that frequent movement on the 1 hour time frame. So if we check the 4 hour time frame here, perfect guys. Like I said, you need to check the hourly time frame to confirm your entry. On the 4 hour time frame, the market has even sold to the oversold level, so it will buy, right? It will buy, and that's a good entry point. The market will buy. That's what I've seen. So let's check the 5 minute time frame just to confirm a better entry. Now what we're seeing here on the 5 minute time frame, this market has bought, now this market has sold, right? On the 5 minute time frame, the market is selling. Now one of the two best time frames for you to do your analysis on a US30 market, or even in the Forex market like currency pairs, the 1 minute and the 1 hour time frame, those are the two perfect time frames. You analyze your trade on the 1 hour time frame, go back to the 1 minute time frame to enter your positions or your entries, right? If you want to scalp the market, you can't scalp the market on the higher time frame. Only the 1 minute time frame, that's when you can scalp the market and make profit from the market, right? So like I said, there are different strategies you can use to trade US30 markets. You can use double top strategy, you can use scalping strategy, taking advantages of small price movement. Then you can use a strategy using the indicators to trade. You can always use breakout structure strategy together with trend lines. So I believe you know how to draw trend lines, because I've showed how to draw trend lines in one of my videos that I did concerning US30 on how to trade breakout structure. So for a quick review, let me show you how you can draw your trend lines on the market to make profit, right? So what you do is to go to your trend line, you take your trend line right here. When you draw your trend line, what you do is you take the red line from the top to the nearest one right here, you draw it downwards. So on your trend line, what you see here is that when there's a breakout from the trend line after the sell region, now once the market have sold for a particular period of time and you see that the market is now buying and the buy candlesticks broke out from the trend line which you have drawn, which you have just drew, the market will buy. Just as we are seeing here, there was a red line and this is the trend line I just drew, and you see this market bought to this point. Though it retested, the next candlestick was a buy. You see it bought right here. All right, now what we're going to do again, because this is a live trade right now, we're going to draw another trend line just to show you guys that this works perfectly. What we're going to do right here is to draw our trend line, and we're taking it from this top right here. All right, we're taking it from here for this top right here. All right, so this is the 5 minute time frame though. So now what we're seeing here is that this market will buy. Take a look at it. The market will buy because it has broken from here. It has broken from this trend line right here. So this market is a buy market. So whenever there is a breakout, once the market breaks out, the candlestick breaks out from the trend line and is created another buy, the market will buy. So that's a good entry for a buy and make profit from the market. So whatever you need to do is just scalp the market, take small profit, and you exit and you wait for another opportunity to trade the market, right? You wait for another opportunity to trade the market. So whenever you want to see a sell entry, what you do is to draw your trend line right here. You want to take your trend line from this point. from the blue line right here, you want to take a trend line from here to this point. All right, from here you want to draw it, let it touch the nearest one first, right here to this point. Perfect. We want to let it touch this blue line because we are looking for a sell. So we draw a trend line from the blue candlestick, right, from the green candlestick, and when there's a breakout, see this market sold at this point, then it sold again, it sold below, then it broke out, and the market continued to sell, just as you see right here. Perfect entry for a sell. All right, now like I said, this market is a buy market. The market will buy, it will retest, it will buy again, it will retest, it will buy, right? Because what we're seeing here, this candlestick right here, this moving averages is currently going upwards. We're seeing a downward trend, but it will curve just like this right here. It will eventually curve just like this, right? It's going up, it's going downwards position. You take another one right here. You see, this is the position which the moving average is taking right here. This is the position, it's going downwards, then it will curve upwards, because on the 1 hour time frame, the market has gotten to the oversold level, and the next step is a buy, right? Is a buy. So I hope you understand what I just said to you guys. Now to trade US30 perfectly using this analysis to trade. All right, using this perfect analysis to trade the market. So we're seeing a buy entry position. So if you found value in this video, you enjoyed watching this video, do well to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.